Hi, I'm Talha. Like many of you, I came to Australia as a migrant and I've lived every part of this journey. The migration journey in Australia isn't just a paperwork journey. It's late nights, it's sacrifice. It's showing up every single day for a future you can't quite see yet, but you refuse to stop. Along the way, I watched a lot of NAATI students working incredibly hard, but they were preparing with whatever they could find. Random PDFs, WhatsApp group messages, YouTube videos with no clear structure. They were putting in the effort, but they had no way of knowing if it was actually working. That's where NAATIFY began. I asked myself a simple question: what if students had one place to practice, to test themselves, to build their vocabulary, and to get instant feedback on where they actually stand? How much easier could the journey become? NAATIFY isn't just an app, it's a tool built around confidence. Because I know passing NAATI isn't just passing an exam. For many people, it's a critical step towards their permanent residency. It's an investment in their family's future, and it carries real weight. I won't promise you NAATIFY will guarantee your result. What I will promise is this: we will give you every tool possible to help you prepare better, and we'll keep improving this platform every single week based on what students actually need. Thank you for trusting us with something that matters so much. Welcome to NAATIFY, your AI-powered personal NAATI teacher.